In this investigation, you will be building stable molecules again. This time you have 6 challenges, and each challenge gets harder than the last. You should be able to see the slides along the left side of your screen. I'm going to move to the first molecule, which is actually an example molecule. You will not see this slide in your slideshow. This is just for the video. At the bottom of your slide, though, it's going to tell you which molecule number it is. This is 0. And it will tell you what to do. In this case, we have to build an H2O molecule. Now I can just drag out whatever atoms I'd like to use to make H2O. And I do not need to rotate, I should not rotate any of these atoms. I should not resize them. In order to make the molecules in the challenge, everything should be facing the right way. Now I do have to be able to choose the correct rods. Like looking at this, that rod is probably not gonna fit so great. So I might choose a better rod in that case to connect everything together. And now I've made H2O. I guess it could look a little bit better than that. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so I could spend some time making that look better. Now at the top of the screen in the white area up here, you have 2 or 3, depending on which molecule challenge you're on, you have 2 or 3 questions to answer. This particular question is asking the number of atoms in the molecule, which when I count, I have 1, 2, 3. So you'll just type your answer in. And it's asking in this case if it's pure or compound. And I see this is a colorful compound. It's a mixture of different colored atoms. And so I put my answer there, and then I can move on to the next molecule for the challenge. When you finish with this slide, make sure that all of the rods are pushed off to the side, one side, and the atoms on the other, and that the screen is nice and clean with the molecule you built in the middle and your questions have been answered.